Hello guys, welcome to Sal Digitals. My name is Polo Logo. Today I'm gonna show you how to do color correction, or some people call color grading. Now I have a video here. I'll just put it in the timeline like so. Then I'll just maintain those ratios there. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this icon here called color correction. There are two options: color match and color correction. So I'll just click color correction. Then it will take me to this dialog box here. Now there are preset colors here that you can use. For example, if I click this, it will make the street more bright. If I click this, it will make it more darker. But I want the street to look more brighter, like so. But if I don't want, I'm not satisfied with the color that is here, I'll go to adjust for more advanced options. So if I come here, there are many other options here like fit balance and many other things. But in this aspect, I'm going to use color. So I'll click this kind of arrow here. Then I'll try to adjust. If I adjust, it becomes more brighter. If I want it to be more brighter, or I want it to be darker, or the exposure. Then if I want it to be brighter, or like that, but I'll work with the exposure, it will be darker. And I just say okay. Now if you see the changes are there. Now if I play, you can see the changes. It's more brighter. Now let's compare it to the first image, the first video, because the difference. Let me play it from here so that you see the difference. See, this is more brighter. It looks it's good, and if you see this looks more darker, I think I'll prefer this one here. So that's how to do color correction in Filmora X. Guys, have a nice day. Look for my other videos in the description section that I've done about Filmora X. Peace.